My name's Cheryl. Where do I look? My name's Cheryl Eagle. I'm a myotherapist. I specialise in musculoskeletal pain and dysfunction. I'm situated at Nerang.
And you're here at the Facebook workshop here today. And what was the best thing about this workshop?
It really helped me get my head around Facebook. I've been trying to get my head around social media for quite a while now, and I've discovered that the best way to do that is to come to classes like Chantal's that teach me the basics, and actually so I know what I'm actually doing. I need to get further into targeting people within my industry, and I just had no idea how to do that, and Chantal's made that clear to me today. So I've got lots of homework and really excited about it.
Wonderful. So you'd recommend Chantal in the future?
Oh, definitely. Look, don't waste your money on getting other people to do it for you. Don't waste your money on big marketing campaigns. They all tell you that they work, and then you end up a couple of months later spending heaps of money and not getting far. I think you really need a good understanding of the basics. You really need to do that, and although I'm very good at what I do, marketing wasn't part of my training, so this is really essential for all small businesses like me.